Chopper 1. Our agent has been shot. The suspects have the nuclear detonators. They must not be allowed to leave the country. Use extreme prejudice if necessary.
Roger, base. We're on their tail heading west. We're running low on fuel, so send a backup. Chopper 1 to base. We're just east of Whale's Back Point. We have just enough fuel to make it back to base. Where's that backup?
Base to Chopper 1. Backup will not reach you in time. You must initiate attack immediately.
Roger, base. We're initiating attack on the suspect. Chopper 1 to base. Suspects have been hit and downed. Backup will find them on the west side of Whale's Back Point.
Roger, Chopper 1. Well done. Come back to base.